Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make the fake rain effect looks more natural in your clips on CapCut. So here, if you want to add like some rain effects on your videos, but you don't want to looks like it's only effect, you can use this trick. So just add the clips that you want to edit and then duplicate the clips. Click on it and choose duplicate and then make one of the clip as overlay. Okay, now it's go like this. Let's go back and add the rainy effects. So go to effects, video effects, and here find the nature category. Then you can add the rain effect between rainy season 1 or 2. So I'm going to just use the rainy season. Let's try the rainy season 1. Here you can adjust the filter and also the atmosphere. You can just go back, click on a check icon, and here on the effect, click on object and choose overlay. Okay, so now the effects will be only applied to the overlay. You can just go back, click on this overlay button and click on your overlay clip and go to mask. Okay, so here I'm going to just make the rain effect only apply to the window. So let's use the rectangle mask. Adjust the position on the window like this and also adjust the size. Okay, don't forget to adjust the edges to make it looks more natural. Click on a check icon. Let's see the result first. You can always adjust it more if you want to, like this. And click on a check icon and let's see the preview. So this will be the result. You can see the effects looks more natural because it only apply on the window. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.